Alright guys, welcome back to installing Leo's downpipe because we don't know what the fuck we're doing. Part 2.
See that bracket?
Which one? This?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're gonna remove that.
Okay. Give me a 10.
Is it a 10?
Yeah, it's a 10.
Hey Tyler, what if I like kick this over?
I told Leo, I mean, if it's meant to happen, it's meant to happen. I'll die. Like, you know?
You know, that one's tipping over.
Is it a 10?
We're gonna find out. You're gonna find.
Oh, this freezing ball.
Freezing balls over roasted chestnut. No, maybe it's not.
Maybe it's a 12?
Maybe it's a 12, actually. Oh, here we go. There we go. There's one.
It breaks the bolt.
Oh, you're lucky.
You're lucky, punk. You're lucky.
I can't take it.
Literally, that's the last thing we gotta like change before we
Do this.
Alright, what happened to the light that we had? That you said was in your car.
Oh, it's still in my car. Oh, it works.
Yeah, there we go. That's what I want. Oh, are you on there? Yeah, you are.
Hey Tyler, we're still recording.
Okay. That's fine. There we go. Fucking whore.
Oh yeah, Tyler. I like it when you do that. Oh.
This is how all mechanics work, Mario. If you don't have those sounds, you won't get the bolts off. Trust me.
Literally, they'll literally strip and break.
Oh no.
Is that what happened to these bolts right here, or these washers?
I can't believe the things that happened to me when Santa Claus.
Look, guys. Look at that turbo. Look at the turbo. It actually, didn't you say there was no play with it? Like it was pretty good condition still, Leo?
Yeah.
How happy does it make you?
Really happy actually.
Ignore the rust. And these guys gave me shit.
Hey, wasn't your frame just rusted out?
The frame isn't rusty. It's as black as this.
It looks like Don's car just has cavities of
Bro, your
rust.
car is like fucking what, a day old and it's got rust already.
Where? Hey, let's go in there
And the
right
bag.
now.
Didn't we find it the other
Where?
time? Remember?
No. That was pure bullshit.
What? What's wrong, Leo?
Oh, nothing. I fucked up right now.
Ah. Now I gotta order another bolt. Alright guys, come back to part 3.
I think that's opposite. Yeah, that's the opposite way, Leo.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure?
I'm
I can't.
positive.
Oh, there you go. You're right. I couldn't see it. That's why.
No, I know.
Car retard.
I had to put this new gasket here, guys.
I just see Leo in the back. Fuck me.
So now, 2 cents of time. This is the biggest battle of Leo's life.
Whoa there.
Supposedly the Type R is gonna make some impressive numbers soon.
Yeah, only 400k. I mean
400,000 horsepower. That thing's a fucking rocket ship.
Let me see the end. Nice.
Let's compare. Just so you guys know, we live in Mexico.
Canelo.
Everybody thinks I'm Caucasian, but I'm not. I mean,
Yeah, it pisses you off, doesn't it?
it does.
I'm fucking Mexican.
Mario, I would say actually go, like, look from the top.
From the top?
For this part.
Okay.
Because I'm assuming, Leo, I'm going to be bolting these first, right? The ones up here by the turbo. Just guide me. Okay. And then you guide me too up there. And you bring it up. So, can you come over under here?
Okay, now push it. There we go.
Okay. I should do this one, and then we should do a star pair. And let me do this first, Mario, and then you should hit this top one. And then I
Okay.
can hit this bottom, do this one, and then you finish here.
Okay.
There we go. Okay. man.
Oh.
We need a fucking heat shield, bro. Like around us, we need a fucking heat shield.
Do you really need one? You don't need
value.
it. You don't need it.
You don't need it. In fact, you don't need half this shit. You should just rip it all out so this thing weighs like 1,500 pounds and you fucking put 600 horse to it. You might even fly. You might even fucking fly, Leo. Think about that.
I don't want to fly.
You'd be the first man to fly in the car.
Flying hawking his horn.
Yeah, you gotta keep the horns up. Remove everything else.
You know
keep
what?
the horns in
Can
the
you put the horns outside? Damn, it is cold.
I've been looking to get some rage out.
There we go.
Yeah. Should we really be that lucky?
Hell yeah.
Alright, y'all. New tailless downpipe install on the Subi.